Owayesekuba ngumongameli weli uMnumzana Jacob Zuma ucacise emhlophe kwincwadi yakhe ayikhuphe izolo ukuba akazukuvela kwikomishoni kaZondo nangona inkundla yomgaqo-siseko imiyalelo yokuba ayokuphendula imibuzo kuyo le komishoni. Ingcali zomthetho ithi linyathelo likaZuma lingaba umzekelo ombi kwinkqubo yobulungisa kweli kuyaphambili.
Any attempt by any person, let alone the president, to act in defiance of it sets a bad precedent and is against the law.
Umongameli Zuma utyholele inkundla yomgaqo-siseko ngokusetyenziswa kumadabi ezopolitiko.
Any claim that suggests that the Constitutional Court is either has been politicized, has become a kangaroo court, or has become a circus is all baseless. And why I say this, Leanne, is because we have to view this from the perspective of the fact that, A, here's a court order by the highest court in the land, and that order gives specific directions as to what he must do.
Kwincwadi yakhe umongameli Zuma usamile kolokuba banobuhlobo noZondo.
No matter what link he suggests with he has with the presiding officer of the commission. The fact of the matter is, if he's going to choose to defy the order of the Constitutional Court, he'll be in defiance of a court order, so he'll be in contempt of court. And Section 6 of the Commissions Act of 1947 says that any offence by a witness will render him liable. Will make him guilty of an offence and liable for conviction of 6 months or a fine or both.
Kwasisigwebo senkundla yomgaqo-siseko Vandal Bloom uthi amalungelo kaMnumzana Zuma awanyashwa kwaphela koko akhuselwe.
His constitutional rights and his rights as a witness are protected by the Commissions Act of 1947 and are also protected by the court order. So he has no leg to stand on if he was to propose that there is any infringement of any rights. Remember, what he is being called to testify on, he hasn't yet testified on. So there's nothing that he's already been implicated on in terms of any evidence that he's meant to lead. He's already by presumption assuming that his rights will be trampled on.
Akwaziwa kuba uMnumzana Zuma uza kuwumamela kusini na umyalelo wenkundla yomgaqo-siseko.